This is going to, so remember, see how if you touch with these, stay away from these two knuckles. These are the ones that I know firsthand experience. You want to hit with all four or at least these two. These ones are not good, okay? The bone density of these two is 3 times that of these, okay? When you hit like this, you'll break these. And the rehab is 7 to 8 weeks in a cast. It's long. That's a long rehab, right? So James should be placing right. And what I'm looking to do is not stop, but figure out how my shoulder can come to my aid. Not to stop it yet, how to bump it off. So there it is, and my shoulder has to kind of bump it off. So small movements, right? Now, you might say, what is this beneficial for? Tomorrow when somebody grabs you, grab your hair, see, come a little closer. You know how to work with your shoulder. No, it's like it's a short. So there's the elbow. People know this. There's the fist. But when it's in tight, shoulders are highly effective. Like the amount of like it's a short move. You know, somebody comes from behind, boom. You know how to strike with the shoulder, or you know how to remove pressure. So look where the shoulder can come up to protect your chin, right? So as your partner pushes, see how your shoulder can come to your aid. That's the first part. And then later, you'll study how to work with their shoulders after the push, okay? The good thing about punches is there's a drastic change in the shoulders. The shoulders really do go through quite a range when you're punching, right? Like nobody does it like this. It's only, generally they cock back. Yeah, it's like there's a big change in the shoulder, right? What I hope is that tomorrow you start to, before it touches your face, you catch it and you start working, and then you can start to work against the shoulders. But that's not today's goal. Today's goal is you touch the chin and then the shoulder somehow bumps it off, okay? Grab a new partner.